to know when you should launch a paid community versus earn from one-time purchases? Well, there are a few key factors to consider. If you need high ongoing costs to sustain your operations and deliver value to your members, that's a clear signal. Running a paid community can help you establish a reliable income stream to keep things running smoothly. Additionally, if your community offers exclusive, premium content or services that cannot easily be replicated or accessed elsewhere and is hard to package in one digital product, that's another green light. Lastly, if your goal is to foster a sense of commitment and engagement among your members, launching a paid community is a fantastic strategy. When people invest their hard-earned money to join your community, they demonstrate a higher level of dedication. It creates a tight-knit environment where everyone is genuinely invested in the growth and success of the community. Now that we've explored the reasons why a paid community might be the way to go, let's talk about the exciting benefits that come with it. 1. Financial sustainability. Running a paid community provides a reliable income stream for the community manager, ensuring long-term viability for your operations. 2. Higher engagement and commitment. When members pay to join your community, it's a clear sign of their dedication and commitment. They're more likely to actively participate, contribute, and form meaningful connections with like-minded individuals. 3. Exclusive content and resources. A paid community enables you to offer exclusive perks such as premium newsletters, regular updates, exciting events, and even one-on-one consultations. These exclusive offerings make your community truly special and provide additional value to your members. So, whether you're a content creator, a community manager, or someone looking to provide a unique and valuable experience to your audience, launching a paid chat group might be just what you need. It offers financial sustainability, higher engagement and commitment, and the ability to provide exclusive content and resources that truly set your community apart.